I'll be showing today how I prune or trim my tomato plants. When your tomato plants develop their first flower, you need to remove all the side shoots. Side shoots are the ones that grow between the leaf and the main stem. This one here. Just pinch them over when they are small. And also, I trim all the leaves underneath the first flower. I leave around 3 or 4 healthy leaves, because tomato plants need air circulation, otherwise they get diseases. And also you want the nutrients to go only on the main stem, so that they will develop more flowers and more fruits. And also when the tomato plant reaches about 7 or 8 feet, well, there are 2 types of tomato plants, determinate and indeterminate. Determinate ones will grow up to a certain height and they will stop growing. But the indeterminate ones, they just keep growing. So when it grows to about 7 or 8 feet, you need to cut up the head so that it will stop growing. And when the tomato plant reaches like 4 or 5 feet, I let about 1 or 2 side shoots grow, so that they will become the main stem. Since we will be cutting off the head of the main stem when it reaches 7 or 8 feet, the side shoots will become the main stem, and the nutrients will go through those 2 side shoots, which became main stems, and they will develop more fruits. So I'll be removing most of the leaves underneath and just leave around 3 healthy ones. And do this on a sunny day so that the wounds will be healed rapidly. Otherwise, you could get infection on the plant. We have 1, 2, 3 leaves here underneath the flower. And we need to get constantly pruned or trimmed, because the tomato plants need a lot of air circulation. Otherwise, they will get diseases. Today we'll be pruning the cucumbers and the squash. You could prune them the same way. Once the cucumber develops 6 sets of leaves, this one has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. We need to take all the fruits that are under the 6 leaf. We'll be removing them. So this one here, this one, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And also remove all the tendrils. Yes. The reason we do this is because right now the plant needs all the nutrients and energy in order to grow and stay strong. And if you have all these fruits just develop early, they will take all the nutrients and energy, and the tendrils will remove. Just imagine how much energy it needs to grab onto something and then climb. So it's better to remove all the tendrils, and then you could use a clip, or you could tie the cucumber plant to the top so that it will grow up. So everything just between those, below the 6 leaf, we will remove them all, and the plant will grow very healthy and strong, and it will produce a lot of fruits later. And also, if you see any leaf that does not look very good, does not look very healthy, just remove them. All these leaves will be removed later. Once the plant grows and begins giving fruit, all these leaves underneath are not needed, so we will be removing them. And also remove any leaf that looks like that they have some kind of disease, then remove them as soon as possible. Also, if you see any side shoots growing between the main stem and the leaf, like this one, remove them. When your eggplant develops its first flower, any leaf that doesn't look good underneath that flower, we need to remove them. Later, as the plant grows, we'll be removing all these other leaves because they won't be needed. That way, the plant will grow healthy, and all the nutrients will go through the main stem, in producing and produce a lot more fruits. When your pepper plants develop the first Y and the first flower, then we need to remove all the leaves that are under that first flower. So and do this on a sunny day so that the wounds will be healed rapidly. So the leaves underneath the first flower are not needed anymore. They're going to be producing a lot more Ys as they grow, like here. See, there's another fruit here on the Y, another here on the Y. This way the plant will get all the energy and nutrients on the main stem here, and it will grow more rapidly, and it will produce a lot more fruits. Be sure to do it on a sunny day so that the wounds will be healed quickly.